warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I myself Tanya Rustam from Standard 9A. Today I want to talk about an inspiring Indian scientist, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and his contribution to India's space and missile programs. Dr. Kalam, often called the missile man of India, was a brilliant aerospace scientist and engineer. He played a crucial role in developing India's first indigenous satellite launch vehicle and the integrated guided missile development program. His work helped India achieve self-reliance in space technology and defense capabilities. The story behind Dr. Kalam's achievement is one of the dedication and vision. He came from humble beginnings but had a relentless passion for science and technology. His leadership and expertise propelled India into the forefront of space exploration and missile technology. He inspires us to dream big and work tirelessly to achieve our goal. Thank you.
Myself, Edit Class A. Today I would like to highlight the contribution of Dr. C.V. Raman S. and his groundbreaking discovered the Raman effect. Dr. Raman was a brilliant scientist who made scientific contribution to the field of light sleeping. In 1928, he discovered that when light was through a transparent material, some of the light changed in black light. This phenomenon known as the Raman effect. Evaluation space and has numerous applications in various fields include chemistry, physics and medicine. The story behind the Raman effect involves of medical observations and detection. Dr. Raman conducted his experiments with simple execute regular on his eye and scientific research. His discovered identifying the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930. Making him the first Asian and first non-white person to receive the Nobel Prize in Science. His legacy continues to influence scientists around the world. That's all. Thank you.
From Murtala House, I would like to call Farhan Rabbani.
Myself, Farhan Rabbani, student of class 10. Respected dignitaries and guests and my fellow innovators, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are here to celebrate technology that honors the spirit and innovation that incredible advancement and continue to shape growth. Technology has become the inseparable part of our lives and the smartphone to connect us across continent and artificial intelligence that revolutionizing industries, technology and growth as powerful force and change. The especially significant in India has marked the successful nuclear conductor as Pokhran, Gujarat in 1998, showcasing an 19th century strength and technological capabilities. But technology is not the machine, is not even potential creativity and courage to think beyond boundaries and empowers educators. Enhance healthcare, improve health communication and even help solve global problems like climate change. As we move forward, the technology has the for convenience of creating a better inclusive world. Let us innovate possibly and ethically ensuring that benefits for the community. Thank you and happy technology.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Arhan Firoz, I am a student of class 7B. I am from Farooq House and the topic is technology. International Technology Day is celebrated on 11th May. This particular date was selected to commemorate the Indian first successful nuclear test at Pokhran in 1998. Since that year, 1999 onward, National Technology Day is being celebrated across the whole country on the 11th day of May. The date mark of important day, and on this very occasion, the Technology Development Board award the contribution of fellow citizens in the field of science and technology. This is how the Technology Development Board celebrates the National Day. Thanks.
I myself, Munay Alam, I am from class 10. Today I am present here to tell an inspiring story of different-minded person. कभी-कभी आप कुछ सोचते हो, प्लान करते हो, ट्राई करते हो, पर वो हो नहीं पाता। इसका मतलब ये नहीं होता कि वो यूजलेस है या हो नहीं सकता। ऐसे ही दुनिया में 11 फरवरी 1847 में इंडिया के तकरीबन 100 साल आजाद होने से पहले एक बच्चा हुआ यूनाइटेड स्टेट ऑफ अमेरिका में। उस घर में जिसमें ऑलरेडी 6 बच्चे थे और वो 7वां बच्चा था। He was the 7th child, सबसे छोटा, सबसे लाडला, सबसे प्यारा, सबसे नॉटी और सबसे अजीब इसलिए बिकॉज अजीब से सवाल करता था। सबसे अजीब इसलिए कि हर बात की तह में जाने की कोशिश करता था। सबसे अजीब इसलिए क्योंकि उसके आसपास के लोग उसे मनबुद्धि कहने लगे थे। स्पेशल चाइल्ड। सबसे अजीब इसीलिए क्योंकि उसके स्कूल के टीचर्स उस बच्चे को समझ नहीं पाते थे। तो आज की कहानी उस बच्चे की है जिसने इतिहास रच दिया और उस बच्चे की माँ की जिसने अपनी वर्ड से, अपनी डिटरमिनर से और अपनी कमाल की पेरेंटिंग से उस बच्चे की जिंदगी को एक लेसन में बना दिया। ये जो बच्चा है जिसकी स्टोरी मैं आपको सुना रही हूँ बहुत अजीब सा था। वर्ड समझ नहीं आते थे, पढ़ने में मुश्किल आती थी, सुनने में मुश्किल आती थी, समझने में मुश्किल आती थी, लर्निंग में मुश्किल आती थी और सवाल बहुत पूछता था। इतने सवाल पूछता कि टीचर परेशान हो जाते थे। इनके पेरेंट्स, रिश्तेदार, इनके आसपास के लोग सब परेशान हो जाते थे। बोलते थे क्या अजीब सा बच्चा है यार, क्या क्या सवाल करता है। बोलता था कि अगर चिड़िया उड़ सकती है तो इंसान क्यों नहीं उड़ सकते। तो किसी ने एक बार उसको मजाक में बोल दिया कि चिड़िया जो है वो कीड़े मकोड़े खाती है, इस वजह से उड़ती है। तो उसने अपने एक फ्रेंड को कन्विंस किया और एक पार्क में गया और पार्क से कीड़ों को इकट्ठा किया, उसको कंटेनर में डाला, उसको पानी डाला और उसका जूस बनाया और अपने फ्रेंड को पिला दिया। और वो बच्चा उड़ नहीं सका, हम सबको मालूम है। उसका पेट दर्द हो गया, उसकी तबीयत खराब हो गई। तो बच्चे के जो पेरेंट्स हैं बहुत गुस्सा हुए थे उस बच्चे पे और स्कूल में जाके उस बच्चे के बारे में कंप्लेन किया। तो टीचर्स ने और बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स ने उस बच्चे पर रिस्ट्रिक्शन लगा दिया। उसके अजीब से सवालों से परेशान होकर और पढ़ाई में बुरी हालत की वजह से एक दिन उनके टीचर ने एक पेपर दिया फोल्ड करके और बोले बेटा अपनी माँ को जाके दे देना बिना देखे हुए, ठीक है। तो उसने अपने बच्चे को मतलब उस बच्चे ने वो जो पेपर है वो अपनी माँ को दे दिया जाके। तो उसकी माँ ने जब वो पेपर देखा तो वो रोने लगी। बच्चा क्यूरियोसिटी में पागल हो गया कि मेरी माँ इस पेपर को देख के रोने क्यों लगी। तो उसकी माँ ने बोला कि बच्चा इसमें लिखा है ना कि आप डायमंड हो, आप एक सुपर चैंपियन हो, आप एक एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी पर्सन है और जो स्कूल के टीचर्स हैं ना उनके अंदर ये काबिलियत नहीं है कि वो आपको पढ़ा सकें, इसलिए आप कल से स्कूल नहीं जाओगे। तो लिखा ही नहीं था, आपको लगाए नहीं इन्फॉर्मेशन। कल लास्ट में आपको बताऊंगी। तो उस बच्चे की पढ़ाई घर पे होने लगी क्योंकि वो स्कूल नहीं जाता था। एक दिन उसकी माँ ने उसको एक एक्सपेरिमेंट बुक ला के दी। बच्चे के
बड़ा हो गया। अब पेरेंट्स होते हैं कि हमेशा पागल हो जाते हैं कि मेरे बच्चे का फ्यूचर क्या होगा, तो उसकी माँ का भी यही कंसर्न था उस बच्चे के लिए। तो उसने जितने भी एक्सपेरिमेंट की चीजें वो घर के बाहर फेंक दी। अब बच्चा जो है वो पेपर बेचना स्टार्ट कर दिया उसने, ट्रेन में, रोड पर, ठीक है। और वो जो भी पेपर से पैसे कमाता उससे एक्सपेरिमेंट की चीजें खरीदता, ठीक है। तो रेलवे स्टेशन के बाहर एक डिब्बा पड़ा हुआ था बोगी, जिसमें वो सारी एक्सपेरिमेंट की चीजें लाके रख देता और उससे एक्सपेरिमेंट करता जितनी भी उसकी क्यूरियोसिटी होती। तो एक बार क्या हुआ ना कि वो एक्सपेरिमेंट कर रहा था और ब्लास्ट हो गया। बच्चा निकला हुआ था, ट्रेन के बोगी के बाहर था, इसलिए उसको कुछ नहीं हुआ, तो वो ब्लास्ट हो गया। तो आसपास के जितने लोग थे ना वो आए और उसको खींच के तमाचा मारा, तो बच्चा बहरा हो गया। अब उसको वर्ड नहीं समझ आते, लर्निंग नहीं कर सकता, पढ़ाई नहीं कर सकता, उसके बाद उसको सुनाई भी नहीं दे रहा था। और वो इतना पॉजिटिव लड़का था, उसने बोला कि अच्छा हुआ मैं बहरा हो गया, अब इन लोगों की जजमेंट नहीं सुननी पड़ेगी मुझे, इन लोगों के बकवास के ताने नहीं सुनने पड़ेंगे मुझे, है ना। तो इस कहानी का फर्स्ट लेसन, फोकस ऑन योर गोल्स। उन्होंने कहा था, I never did a day's work in a life. It was all fun. मैंने कभी जिंदगी में काम नहीं किया, वो सब जो था वो एक मस्ती थी। He invented a stock printer at the age of 22 years. जहाँ बच्चे, जहाँ नौजवान क्या करते, जहाँ नौजवान नौकरी खोजते, पढ़ाई करते, वो इन्वेंशन कर रहे थे। और दुनिया के कोने-कोने से लोग आते, दुनिया के कोने-कोने से लोग आते दुनिया के कोने-कोने से लोग आते और उनकी प्रिंटर जिन्होंने इन्वेंट किया था उसको खरीदते। The name of the scientist is Thomas Alva Edison. Thank you. Now from the Green House, I would like to call Arslan for English speech.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Arslan Khan from Student 9. I am here to say about technology. Honorable Principal and all my friends, I am stand here to today deliver a speech on technology and how it is grateful affect our lives. The knowledge with the science implement for the particular use is technology. In today's world, rising competition, technology plays a very crucial role in our lives, making easy and comfortable. There is no doubt that is the most significant component of our struggle is today's era. Presenting each and every day a novel application or software is being introduced in the economy that serve to enhance and uplift the lifestyle of the people in immeasurable ways. Hence making our life better and full of smart components. We use technology every day and everywhere in order to fulfill particular duties or the age of benefits from technology and until and unless they know how to access the same. But one of the most forget that anything come us has its our own share of pros. Thank you for giving me a chance.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I myself Arya Khatun from class 10. Today I am present here to say something about the light bulb and its inventor. The electric light bulb was invented by Thomas Alva Edison in 1879. Edison employed earlier design to make a practical long-lasting light bulb. He used a carbon filament inside a vacuum glass bulb to produce light. The vacuum prevented the filament from burning out quickly. All through others like Humphrey Davy and Joseph Swan worked on similar ideas. Edison made the most practical version. Edison's invention brought safe and reliable lighting into homes and streets.
The light bulb replaced candles and oil lamps, making life safer and more convenient. The lead to the development of modern electric power systems. The inventions of the light bulb is one of the most important milestones in human history. Thomas Edison is often called the Wizard of Menlo Park for his many inventions. Thank you.
From
My name is Sayed Moinullah. I study in class 7B. I will say something about technology. Technology is
I am Zuhaira Rashid from class 7A. I am present here to say about a scientist. Today I want to tell you the story of a man who lost control of his body, but ruled the universe with the power of his mind. The brilliant physicist Stephen born in 1942 in India. Hawking was a curious child, always asking questions, always exploring the unknown. He wanted to understand the universe, how it began, how it works, and how it might end. But when he was 21 years old, his world suddenly changed. Doctor told him he had a rare disease called ALS, and that he had only 2 years to live. But Stephen Hawking did not give up. He could not walk, talk, or ride like us, but the kept thinking, learning, and researching with the help of computerized work and an unbreakable spirit. He wrote books, gave lectures, and opened the door of cosmology. That defines the universe and said black holes to the world. One of his most famous books, A Brief History of Life, became a bestseller, proved that even the most complex idea can be shared with the world if the heart is strong enough. Once is here, however difficult life may seem, there is always something specific and success at. Dear friends, Stephen Hawking life teaches us that even when the body is trapped, the mind can be free to imagine, discover, and to inspire. So today, as we speak about science and scientists, let us remember, intelligence is not enough. It is courage, curiosity, and commitment that make a scientist truly great. Thank you.
Today I am here to talk about the technology and incredible advances in the science and technology that have shaped our world. It's not just about science and gadgets and machines, but it's about the innovations and the ideas. One inspiring story is that of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He worked tirelessly in India's space and missile programs. He worked with determination and dedication. His journey from a small town in Tamil Nadu to becoming the President of India is just an inspiring story. He always believed in the dreams of power. He said that with the hard work we can overcome any challenge. In today's world, we are surrounded by the force of technology. Whether it's the smartphone we use to connect with each other or the computers that help us learn and grow. But we must remember that these innovations did not happen in overnight. They are the result of years of hard work, dedication, and desire to change the world. As young minds, we are the future scientists, engineers, or innovators. The power to shape our future lies in our hands. We must be inspired by these stories and strives, and to be curious, creative, and bold to pursue our knowledge. Thanks.
My name is Sarah Khan from Student 6. Student 7A. Today I am present here to speak on Technology Day. Technology Day is celebrated on 11th May every importance of science in our daily life, on this day the nation proudly remembers the achievement of the scientists. Many programs are organized on this day among the technical colleges in India. This day promotes the uses of science and technology. The first nation technology is on 11th May in 1999. Every year the technology development board elects a specific theme. The theme of National Technology Day 2024 is from school to startup in engaging your mind to innovate. Today technology is used in every field. Technology turned into many possible things. Thank you.
I am Alia, a student of class 9. Today I am present here to deliver a speech on a great scientist, Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein was a brilliant German-born theoretical physicist who revolutionary theories fundamental change our understanding of space, time, gravity, and the universe. He is the best known for his theories of spatial and general relativity as well as famous equation E is equal to mc square. Einstein was also introduced efficient contribution to the field of quantum mechanics, and he was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1924 for his explanation of the photoelectric effect. Albert Einstein invents their theories and had a profound impact on modern science and technology, particularly in this field of physics and space exploration. Thank you. From Farooq House, I would like to call Rukaiya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Rukaiya, a student of class 8. Today I am present here to speak about Technology Day. The technology which science implemented for practical use is technology. Technology has completely changed the world and our daily life to a significant extent. Things which are not possible a few years ago have become common due to the invention of wheels, spears and stone. Tools were the most significant development in the Stone Age era. From a single bus to supercomputers, the technology has surrounded us in our daily life. Video conferencing, the preferred way to communication, is a gift by the technology. With the help of technology, we have reached Moon and are planning to set up a human colony on Mars. Technology is not always a bond, but it has also proved dangerous many times. The development of nuclear bomb can both positively and negatively affect the human being. We should always remember that technology is a good servant, but a bad master. Thank you.
My name is Atif Hassan, I study in class 7B. Today I am present here to speech about technology. Technology is a very amazing thing that we scientists create, scientists look on things that we as human beings will need in our lives. The grateful result of mental churning is called technology. Several technological discoveries were revolutionary for human civilization. Whatever is being discovered under the categories of technology should be practical and embraced. And the reality of technological tools is essential to make it efficient and helpful. Technology is changing our world, it is making our life easier, faster.
मैं कक्षा 9 का छात्र हूँ। मैं यहाँ पर हाजिर हूँ आप लोगों के सामने टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में बताने के लिए। आधुनिक युग में टेक्नोलॉजी का इस्तेमाल बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है। हमारा देश भारत इसमें दिन प्रतिदिन आगे बढ़ता जा रहा है। टेक्नोलॉजी हमारे जीवन को दिन प्रतिदिन बहुत आसान बना रहा है। टेक्नोलॉजी की वजह से हम दुनिया को एक कोने से दूसरे कोने तक जोड़ रहे हैं। टेक्नोलॉजी की वजह से हमें मालूम चल रहा है कि दुनिया के किस कोने में क्या हो रहा है।
टेक्नोलॉजी हमें पढ़ने में और भी बहुत सी चीज़ों में मदद करता है। शुक्रिया।
Myself, Saman Parveen of Standard 10, and I am here to tell a few inspiring stories of great scientists and scientific discoveries. And the first story is about Marie Curie, the woman who glowed for science. Marie Curie was the first person to win 2 Nobel Prizes in different sciences, that is physics and chemistry, despite living in an era when women were not allowed in different universities. She discovered 2 elements, that is polonium and radium, and pioneered the study of radioactivity. She carried radioactive materials in her pocket, unaware of risk, all for sake of knowledge. And that inspiration from the story is that her dedication shows that with determination, even without societal barriers, cannot stop a true scientist. And the second story is about APJ Abdul Kalam, from newspaper boy to the missile man of India. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam came from a humble background and sold newspapers to support his family. He later became a top scientist in India, contributing to the country's missile and nuclear programs, and eventually became a president of India. And the inspiration is that poverty did not stop his dreams. His story teaches us that a strong vision and hard work can take you to the top. Thanks.
Myself, Congratulations to the student of class 10, and today I am present here to tell you something about a very great, a very intelligent scientist, which is none other than Archimedes. He was born on 287 BC in the city of Cyrus. He was a mathematician, engineer, physicist, and inventor. From a very young age, he showed a remarkable talent for understanding mathematics and machines. One of the most inspiring tales from his life is the story of discovery of Lorentz. The story behind discovery of Lorentz is one of the most famous moments in the history of science. The king of Cyrus had given us a certain amount of gold to a goldsmith to create a crown. Once the crown was made, it looked very beautiful, but the king became suspicious that the goldsmith might have taken some or stolen some gold. So he called a very great scientist, Archimedes, and he asked him to figure out whether the gold was pure or not. And for some days, Archimedes was very puzzled about this. But one day when he was taking bath, he noticed that while taking bath, when he immersed in the water spilled over the side when he got into the water. An idea struck him, and that was, if he placed the crown in water, it would displace a certain amount of water, depending on its volume. And if he did the same with the lump of pure gold, the gold of same weight, and they displaced different volumes, it means the crown was not pure. This was the birth of what we call the Archimedes principle. And this is not only limit the law of physics, but also show the power of observation.
I myself have a person from a study in A, and I am present here to deliver a short science. Science is one of the most unique and it tells us the truth behind any mind. It tells us or educates us about the things that are occurring in our surroundings. All the creation on the earth adorns the beauty of the nature, which is also the part of science. Science provides us the knowledge of our surroundings and also trains us our minds how to use it in a right manner. Not only this, science also has a great role in the field of medicine, for example, chemistry, which is one of the branch of science provide us the knowledge about medicine to treat the harmful diseases. Biology is the another branch of science which deals with functioning of our internal organs. So we should look after science because this is the only field which is full of many interesting facts and rules.
computers, internet, washing machines, and even electric fans all are examples of technology. Technology has made our life easier and faster. We can talk to our friends and families in any part of the world. We can study online, attend classes, and find answers.
I have a winner. तो विनर बताने से पहले I would like to tell you कि ये जो विनर डिसाइड किया गया उसका बेसिस क्या है, ओके? सो आपको 2 पॉइंट्स मिला है आपके टॉपिक पे, 2 पॉइंट्स मिला है आपके स्पीच पे, और 2 पॉइंट्स मिला है जिन्होंने बिना देखे बोला, मतलब याद करके, ओके? बिना पेपर यूज किए। 2 पॉइंट्स आपके प्रोनाउंसिएशन पे मिला हुआ है और 2 पॉइंट्स मिला है आप कैसे उसको प्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं। ये 5 बेसिस है। सो आई हैव अ विनर। सो पहले मैं बताता हूँ कि लास्ट कौन है। लास्ट है मुर्दे हाउस 17 पॉइंट। लास्ट second last is Gunny House with 34 points. अब first और second है, एक फारूक और एक सिद्दीक है। So the first position is Farooq House. It's obvious that the Siddiq House is what? Second. So first Farooq, second Siddiq, third Gunny, and fourth Pooja. You know.